All right. So right now, what we're going to do, we are going to go ahead and do a new page for your Facebook. Now, you may or may not have already had one. Um, if you do have one, no worries. The next thing we're going to do is actually build our business manager, which will actually be in a separate video. So just to kind of introduce myself, my name is Adam Arajo. I'm the owner and creator of LeadWeb. And again, today we're going to go over how to build out a business page or a community page, just depending upon which one that you want to do. Now, here I have the previous version of Facebook. Um, I keep it like this just because I don't know, it's just harder to navigate the other one. I guess if you've been, using Facebook long enough, you just kind of get used to that. Um, you just kind of get used to that old setup. So, basically we're going to be going over that one today. So up here, it should be pretty similar though. So you should have like maybe a create or a plus button, something along the lines of this. We're going to click here on create, and it's going to have a number of different things on here. We're actually going to click create page. Now, once you create page, what you're going to be able to see is saying, hey, are you going to be doing a business or are you going to be doing a community page? Now, you got to think about it from a couple different perspectives. So if you're in real estate, I would highly recommend doing a business page. You could also do a community page too, but then again, you still got to follow the rules and regulations from a real estate perspective. I recommend solar, anything in the service industry. I recommend doing a community page, and the reason being is because I just have found that it's easier to run ads. There's less regulation on the ads that you're running, and overall, it is a just overall better experience. You never have to worry about what you're going to post as far as content goes because you're putting out content for a community, not necessarily for your business. And instead of saying buy me, buy me, buy me all the time, you could do different things like I don't know, best views in North Carolina, right? Which actually brings me to my next point, which is naming your page. So if you're doing a community page, depending upon what you do, you could be hyper local. And by hyper local, I mean, just be specifically to your city, or you can go statewide, right? You could say locals in Reno, or Reno locals, or best views in Reno, or insert whatever your city is, or you could insert whatever your state is. So, it really just depends on how you want to structure it, where you're going to be targeting, and the community that you're trying to reach, right? So that's part of being a community. But if you're a business, right, similar concept. All you got to do is click on get started. You're going to name your page. You're going to select the category. So if you're in real estate, you put real estate, so on and so forth, and then you click continue. If you want to do community page, you name your community page, and you just type in community, right? And you click on community and you hit continue, and you'll be good to go on starting your page. That's it really for the creating your page. Everything after this is purely just the creative stuff. So essentially creating your logo or creating your cover photo, which is the really long photo on top, which you can go to canva.com, CANV as in Valor, A.com, and actually create one for free. And if you need help with that, more than happy to help you out with that as well. But hopefully this kind of streamlined everything for you and just made it a real quick and easy way to create your page, name it, and get started so we can get you connected to the software and up and running. All right. Talk to you soon.